Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if you're getting a screen similar to this cash app, please try again later problem. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I've compiled a list of about 10 different ways you can fix this issue. So let's go through these one by one. So the first way is to check your internet connection. So ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between using your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. The second method is to see if the app is updated to the latest version. So go to your app or Google Play Store and check for any updates. If there is, go ahead and update it. And then from there, restart the app. So close the cache app completely and then reopen it. This can sometimes resolve temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, restart your device. So restarting your smartphone to clear any temporary issues that might be affecting the app. And then another option is check for server issues. Sometimes a problem can be on the cache app's end, not your end. So you can check websites like Down Detector to see if there are any reported outages or issues with the cache app servers. The sixth method here is clear cache for Android. So go to your phone settings, go to apps, click on cache app, click on storage, and then click on clear cache. This can help resolve any corrupted data issues. Another way is to verify your account, so make sure your account is verified. Number 8, check payment information. And number 9, you can just simply go ahead and reinstall the app. So delete the app and then reinstall it and see if that fixes it. If all those methods do not work, I highly suggest contacting the Cash App support for assistance. You can contact them through their app or via their website or their social media accounts. So by following these steps, you should be able to resolve the please try again later error and get back to using the Cash App without any issues.